Right, another news now. In a short while from now, a court in Varanasi will deliver its verdict in the case related to the inspection of the Gyanvapi Mosque, which is located next to the iconic Kashi Vishwanath temple. Now, the court had ordered an inspection in April this year on petitions by 5 Hindu women asking for year-long access to pray at a Hindu shrine behind the western wall of the Gyanvapi Mosque complex. The survey started last Friday but has not been fully completed because of a dispute over videography inside the mosque. The caretaker committee of the Gyanvapi Mosque and its lawyer have said they are opposed to any videography inside the mosque, but the lawyers for the petitioners have claimed that they had the court's go-ahead. So the court will clarify on whether they do have a go-ahead on inspection inside the mosque. NDTV's Alok sent us this report.
The Varanasi court's order in the Gyanvapi Mosque case related to a survey inside the mosque will be very, very significant, simply because there has been so much of dispute over whether a survey can happen inside. Now, just a brief background of the case. In April this year, a lower court or a city court in Varanasi had ordered a survey in the Gyanvapi Mosque complex, which is next to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, based on a petition by 5 Hindu women who asked for year-long access to the shrine of Ma Shringar Gauri that is at the back of the western wall of the mosque. However, things are stuck because the petitioner side says that they have permission to survey the insides of the mosque also, while the mosque management committee says this is gross judicial overreach and no such survey inside the mosque has been ordered. Now, there have been arguments over 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, over whether this can happen or not, and finally the judge will pronounce a order today. If a survey is ordered, I guess it will be unprecedented in that sense, because there are those who are suggesting that by going inside the mosque and filming, you are violative of the places of worship acts, etc. Of course, the petitioner side says that that is not correct. The other sticking point has been over the court-appointed advocate who is acting as the commissioner for the court in this case. Now, the side of the mosque management committee says that he is biased and he is siding towards the Hindu petitioners, whereas the petitioners say that, look, how can you call him biased? He's just doing his job, etc. So there were passionate arguments over these two sticking points in the last 3 days. And now the verdict of the Varanasi court expected today afternoon.